Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with the video and showing you a project share, what I've been doing and what I'm going to be doing with most of my 6x6. I'm not going to do all of them, but this is a way of using my 6x6 that I've had stashed up and starting to use them up. So this is one project and I might be coming along within the next following weeks showing you different other projects using the 6x6. As you guys know, this is all this is all I have right now. As paper wise, I might have a few 12 by 12s, but for now this is what I am going to be working with. So I did use on my project, I did end up using basically almost one whole 6x6, and these are a few others that I have here in my stash, and I just wanted to show you guys a few of them I have a lot more and what I ended up creating. But first, before I show you what I ended up creating, I ended up using this right here. I ended up using Recollections paper, 65 pound, and this is used for my backing. So what I ended up doing is, as you guys could see right here, this is my 65 pound Recollection paper. I ended up cutting it lengthwise at 6 inches. The reason is because I didn't need to use this for my backing, like I said. And then I ended up using this piece right here that is about 2.5 by 11 for my side of my pocket, and this part that's right here was just extra, and basically that will be part of my stash, and I could use those for cards or other future projects that I might be working on. So like I said, this is what I ended up doing. I went ahead and I used this, and then I went ahead and die cut a few of them. I did die cut this one and this one. This is one of my 6x6. And then what I went ahead and did, I ran it through my die cutter, cut it, and of course there's going to be this gap, but that's because this is 6x6. So I'm going to do that the same thing right here. I'm going to go ahead and die cut it, and then this one will be used as my backing. And so overall I will be cutting about 4 pieces of these. And let me go ahead and show you what I did. This is going to be basically the pocket, and what I'm going to do here, I just wanted to show you guys everything before I showed you my project. And this is so simple, and you can use any die cutter. I will try to come along and come with a different something that might not have a die. Might do my own way of my little baggie, but I just wanted to show you and how easy it is. So I went ahead and scored lengthways at 3/4, and then I turned it around, and then I scored it here again at 3/4. This right here I scored at 3, and then I turned it around and I scored at 3. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I ended up creating. And this is what I ended up creating, you guys. This is so cute. And you guys, I did not come up with this. I did see a video last year, and this was from Fun Creations, I want to say is her name. I will link her down in the description below. She is Miss Lady Cree, and she is just amazing. I love all her projects, and they are amazing. And once I saw this die, I had to really have it. I had to research her video and go back into, the history of her videos to find it. And I think she said it's Paper Paisley that has it. Now, I did go back, and like I said, I tried to research it. I could not find it, but I will link her video that I saw down in the description below. She made an amazing project. So this is what I ended up making, and as you guys could see, you guys are wondering why I have this piece here. So what I went ahead and did on my score lines, I went ahead and just go ahead and folded it on every score line that I had right here. Folded it here, folded it here. And I am sorry I'm going a little fast. And then I went ahead and, right here, On this core line, I went ahead and cut it at a V angle. As you guys could see, it's a small V. You are going to have this right here that it's gonna fall off. And when you open it, it's gonna look like that. So you do that on all 4 corners. Once you have done all the 4 corners, you're gonna have these like that, and it's gonna look like a little V. So what I usually did is I went ahead and scored it here. I put the inside, let me see. This is not a completed one, but I went ahead and aligned it here, put some glue on here, on the backing of here, and then just glued it on here. And I did the same thing on to this side right here. I did this one first and then this one, okay? And then I went ahead and did this portion here and then this portion here. And you have a little bag. So just wanted to show you what I created. Now, before you do all this, you guys, I did forget to say, you make sure you use your backing on here so that way it makes it sturdy like this right here. See how sturdy it is? So there you go. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and hopefully you guys use your dies and not be afraid of them. This is a paper that I had and did not know what to do with it. I kind of got tired of the same projects and seeing the same paper, so I figured, hey, why don't I just do this? And I thought it came adorable. So now all you have to do is embellish it and, you know, gift it. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.